Hey, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a drink I call brute force. The reason I call it brute force is because there are limitless possibilities to how you can make this. So this drink is comprised of three major elements: a bourbon, a sweet vermouth, and a Campari, which is a bitter Italian liqueur that's becoming very popular right now. We're going to start with a decanter. You don't have to do this, you can build it in the glass. The way I do mine is I'm going to do 1.5 parts bourbon, 1 part vermouth, and 1 part Campari, and we're going to blend that all together. So I'm going to take my bourbon, we're going to batch it a little bit, make a little more than you might want to make for an individual glass, but hey, no judgments. So we'll do 1, 2, 3 shots bourbon, 1, 2 shots of vermouth, 2 shots of the Campari. Now, you're basically going to say, you already made a drink that exists, which is true, but the reason I call this one brute force, and I get to name it, is because I have a spin on mine, and that's that I'm going to smoke it. You light it up, and there we go, we've got nice smoke pouring out. Now, you go ahead and put the smoke in the bottle, and then cap it off. This is a way to look very fancy without trying very hard at all, just like brute force. So we're going to let that sit here for a couple of minutes and let it get through all the liquid. Swish it around a little bit, make sure it gets to all the parts. So while that's smoking up, I'm going to prepare my glass. So just regular glass, put your favorite kind of ice cube in. I like the big circular kind, they make me feel fancy. Pour over top of our ice cube. And then garnish with an orange peel. This is a drink with a million different possibilities, and it's simple, easy, and very effective, just like brute force.